Sheesh. She's looking really good cosmetic wise. Look at her. With all that CF right there. This is like the 4th lip that I've been through already, but damn, look how beautiful she looks. Loving this damn wheel. Downshift action for you guys. What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. Follow me on Instagram right here, @IamKing, to stay up to date to all the latest bangers. I post a lot of crazy content on my Instagram feed, so make sure to follow right there. Thumbs up the video, share it. Helps me out a lot in the algorithms. We're growing. Road to 30K. Sheesh. Thank you. By the way, these are my favorite chips. Ooh, dang. We made it to this spot that is kind of like uphill. I don't know, it's a little weird spot. There's neighbors everywhere. But the car meet is packed tonight, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen in this tiny little street, but anything can happen in this little tiny street right now. Por poquito le mochan los huevos al güey. Sí. Oh. Verga. Top drop. Un desfile de la rosa. That Mustang though, 10 out of 10 right now with that Mustang, 10 out of 10. It's a good amount of people right now. We're about to dip right now. I don't know where the cops are, probably some over there. I don't know, but sepa la verga. The crowd's excited. There's not a lot of space. There's radiator juice on the floor. You already know when the juice is on the floor, everything gets a little more slippery. Saber qué pasa. Yo creo que ya llegaron las 2 policías, pero aquí le van a dar gas. Todos los vecinos a la verga ya le llamó la policía. I put it down on anything. Damn, how many people are in the car? No mames. They got human trafficking in that car. Damn. Oh, ya sacaron al güero, We got Mickey Mouse in the house, let's get it. El güero's out, está pesado el güero. Oh, la morra también. Ah. Oh, el güero se mete. El güero se anita. Y allá está la güera, esperando al güero. Hey, hit me up if you're looking for a cheap bed. Ya llegó como 40 putas policías. Nah, I like the way people are driving, but I drive better. We got beautiful downtown LA right now. Sheesh. I have a V6 right now, the daily, but I'm driving this like if it's a V12. Remember that. Damn, Mrs. Queen Fresh ain't playing right now. She's about to give you real speed. Guys, so me and my girl missed the other spot because we both had to pee. And now the next location's here at a Target. This is giving me throwback vibes from back in the days, like a year ago, when I used to come to the Carmies and they were at Target and they used to get down and dirty. Damn, we got Mrs. Queen Fresh on the cover. She looks like an assassin ninja, Assassin Creek. There's no pit due to these things right here, so they're making the pit. Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, we finally got a Beamer. Okay. Sparkling, all right. Oh, hell no. I gotta let the swinger in. Oh, straight from... Multiple cops inside. ¡A la verga! Dale, 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 dale. Jeez, they came out of nowhere. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 units inside. We're out. I parked hella smart, but the cops are coming in. Oh hell no, there's a cop over here. ¡A la verga! This is Queen Fresh running. Come on, come on, come on, come on. They're coming in hot. They're coming in caliente. Damn. Okay, we got the cops coming over here. I thought they were gonna block us in, but we're good. We're good. I don't know who they stopped. I don't know if it was the swinger or not. But you know, they stopped somebody. They stopped somebody random. Block him in. They're trying to block him in. You guys are better than this. You guys are better than this. Go around him. Damn, this is the spot that we just left, guys. So many cops came right now. Look at this. Then we got more cops over there. I see at least 15 units right here. Sheesh, we got the cops right here. They shut it down. They did get some cars. I don't know how many though. This cop's still right here with the Infinity.
Then at the next one.
And damn, the guy's not in the car. Damn! What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Shit! It's a free-for-all out here. I love it. I haven't been to this spot, guys, since that BMW from a while ago caught on fire over here. It's been a minute, guys, but it's getting crazy out here right now. These streets out here looking all romantic and whatnot. I'm gonna come over here and clap some cheeks for sure. Looks like Disney over here, but the ghetto version. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up? Okay, we're good, we're good. Damn, the cops came, and as always, they always come in a pack of 5, 6, and they block some people in. Luckily, we were able to get out. Oh, there, cowboys, simmer down. Sheesh. This dude just cut it in front of all of us. Look at that. He's late to the spot. CHP's late to the spot. So the cop came flying to stop a BMW that had nothing to do with the takeover. There, we have made it, guys. People are a little confused, but they're about to shut it down. Sheesh. Alright guys, so I'm right here on the freeway, as you can see. Boom. Sheesh. And the lighting though. But yeah, let's see what happens right now. I made it a little early right now. I made it early to the spot right now, so let's see what happens. Ah, cagapalo, hija la puta, anda para la casa. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! It's a free-for-all on the freeway! Ay, güey, verga, ¿qué es eso? There's no way the cops could get in because all sides are blocked in officially, so they can't come in. A lot of people out here right now. The freeway's officially shut down both sides. It's impossible for cops to come in unless they come from the ramp, but I don't know if they're gonna do it. Freeway's officially shut down, guys. As you can see, everybody's having a great time. Hey, The Mustang's horny, yes sir. The Mustang's horny, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. You already know I love freeway takeovers. The cops weren't really after the Infiniti. The Infiniti decided to take off. Now they're after the Infiniti. God damn. And just like that, the spot's clear. No mames. So this is what happened with the guy that left. The cops came, got him here. There's the Infiniti. All the cops. There's like 50 cops with them. Oh, and I knew it, guys. Look. So he totaled his the Infiniti. Yeah, so he crashed, guys.